Thanks for staying tuned. Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing Company Limited has unveiled current brands of its vehicles popular for their ruggedness, engine capacity and unique brake system. Jokeli Jadu tells us more.
Dignitaries drawn from the National Design and Development Council, the Federal Ministry of Technology, Trade and Investment, Standard Organization of Nigeria, Royal Fathers came out en masse for the official unveiling of brand new Innocent vehicles. Chairman of Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing Company Limited, Innocent Chukwuma, noted that the cars, including the IVM G80, the IVM G40, the IVM G20, and the IVM Granite, are manufactured in Nigeria by the best set of automobile professionals and are tested and trusted for their ruggedness on African roads.
The motor were produced for Africa. The ruggedness of the suspension, everything is made special for Africa. With all the rural area roads, you can move there comfortable and there will be no problem for you.
The organization also reiterated that Innocent Vehicles employs international best practice and is committed to the production of vehicles that will stand the test of time.
Rome was not built in a day, and the biggest room in the world is the room for improvement. Innocent Vehicles will continue to grow steadily, closing the gap little by little, improving on this vehicle and services till it becomes one of the greatest exports from Nigeria.
Royal Father of the Day, the Oluwo of Iwo, Oba Rashid Akombi, added that the IVM brand remains a pride of the continent, hence should be supported by Africans.
It's great in performance. I have seen everything inside. If you need a G-Wagon, any bus for your transport or anything, it's here. What is happening in Nigeria now is a wonder, something that has never happened. This is not just made in Nigeria product. This is a groundbreaking. This is history in the making.
Guests at the unveiling lauded the efforts of Africa's pioneer vehicle manufacturing company, IVM, in giving Nigeria its own automobile brand and called on Nigerians to buy the brand in order to grow the economy.
It is very crucial to support a Nigerian brand of vehicle instead of patronizing that one abroad. And that's what I have demonstrated here by picking one. And people will see us drive it in Nigeria here and then they will believe.
In the ministry, we use it. All over the place, government is patronizing it, and our state government has patronized it. It is the best.
They were designed, their concept, is based on Nigerian terrain and environment. So it's a very wonderful achievement. What I'm telling Nigerians, not only patronize Nigerian cars, is to patronize mainly made in Nigeria items, that it will lead them and it will grow the economy, and it will make the economy to grow very fast.
Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing Company Limited produces a wide range of cars, buses and trucks, competing with foreign brands in durability, safety, modern gadgets and engine outputs. Jokeli Jadu, TVC News, Nnewi.
Indeed, it's time to patronize made in Nigeria products. And with that, it's a wrap on the news at this hour. For more, you can visit our website. It's tvcnews.tv. You can also join the conversation on our social media platforms using the handle at TVC News NG. Thanks for watching. I am Veronica Danny Boy. Up next is Business Tonight.